Understanding clear as mud, a phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the intriguing phrase, clear as mud. Have you ever heard someone use it? It might sound contradictory at first, but by the end of this video, its meaning will be as clear as crystal to you. So, let's get started. Clear as mud is an idiomatic expression in English used humorously to state that something is very confusing or unclear. It's an example of an oxymoron because mud is, of course, not clear at all. This phrase is typically used to describe a statement, instruction, or situation that is far from being easily understood. The phrase, clear as mud, has been in use for centuries, and it's believed to originate from the literal observation of mud. Since mud is opaque and thick, it's the exact opposite of clear, making this phrase a perfect sarcastic remark on clarity. When you want to use clear as mud, you usually do so after an explanation has been given. For example, if someone gives you a set of complicated instructions, you might respond with, "Well, that's as clear as mud," to indicate your confusion or that you didn't find the explanation helpful. Let's see clear as mud in action. After the lecture on quantum physics, the topic was as clear as mud to most students. The assembly instructions for my new furniture were as clear as mud. I had no idea where to start. English is rich with expressions similar to clear as mud. Some of these include as plain as day, which actually means something is very clear, Greek to me, meaning you can't understand something at all, and in the dark, to be uninformed or unaware. And there you have it. The phrase, clear as mud, demystified. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this expression in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and understanding idiomatic expressions is a big step towards fluency. Until next time, happy learning!